In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect any app to make and use it in a scenario. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a scenario, add an app, connect it securely, and put it to work. First, open your scenario. From your dashboard, you can start fresh with Create Scenario, or if you've already begun something, just open that existing setup. This keeps your work organized and ensures you're building in the right place. Next, add an app. Click the plus button on the canvas to insert a new module. Use the search to find what you need. Popular choices include Google Sheets, Gmail, or an AI service. Selecting the right app here sets the stage for everything that follows. Now choose whether this module should be a trigger or an action. A trigger watches for something to happen, like new rows appearing in a spreadsheet. An action performs a task in response, like adding a row or sending an email. Pick the option that matches your workflow and click Continue. If you're unsure, think about where your data starts and what you want to happen next. When the module asks for access, click Add Connection. A pop-up will appear guiding you through the connection process. This is how Make talks to your app securely. Log into the app using its standard sign-in flow. For Google-powered modules, sign in with your Google account. For Gmail, you'll review and allow the requested permissions. For AI services, follow the provider's official authentication method as prompted on screen. Always use trusted sign-in pages and avoid sharing any sensitive information directly in the scenario. Allow the requested permissions. Clicking Allow or Authorize lets Make access only what's necessary for the module to do its job. Review the scopes, and if you have the option, grant the minimum needed for your task. After you've authenticated, save the connection. You can usually name it so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once saved, your app is connected and ready to use. Finally, put the connected app to work. Continue configuring your trigger or action, and select your newly saved account from the drop-down in the module. Adjust the remaining settings based on your goal, such as which spreadsheet to use or what data to send, and you're ready to run the scenario. A quick test run helps confirm everything is wired correctly before you automate at scale. That's it. You've opened a scenario, added an app, authenticated securely, and connected it to your workflow. Now you can build reliably and with confidence.